Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Apollo.io contact on Wix form submission. So let's suppose I am running an online business and I am receiving all my leads with the help of Wix forms. Now I want that whenever there is a new form submission, a contact should be created in my Apollo.io account. Now doing this manually will be a very tedious task, so I am completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Wix and Apollo.io. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I will receive new form submission in my Wix, a contact will be automatically created in my Apollo.io. Now if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create Apollo contact on Wix form submission, and for this I have created an automation workflow with the help of Pabbly Connect, where I have built connection between Wix forms and Apollo, and now I am going to check this automation workflow. For that, I am going to do a form submission in my Wix forms, and if a contact is created in my Apollo account, this means this automation workflow is working fine. So here I am going to open my forms in Wix forms and submit some dummy details in all these fields. So let's say my first name is, so here I have added my first name as new, last name as user, email address is new333@pabblytudes.com, phone number as this, and the query message is testing. Now I am going to submit this form, and here I have submitted this form. Now this should be created as a contact in my Apollo account. So let's open my Apollo and refresh this page once. And here I can see that I have created this new user. The query message that we added was testing. Email address was new333@pabblytudes.com. So this is how this automation workflow will run, and now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Apollo contact on Wix form submission. For this, we are going to create automation between Wix forms and Apollo with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/inr/ in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button, and first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to create Apollo contact on Wix form submission, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and here I am going to select this forms automation and then click on create. Now here, as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create Apollo contact on Wix form submission, which means whenever there will be form submission in my Wix, a contact will be created in my Apollo account, which means whenever there will be form submission in Wix, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So when form submission in Wix happens and then action says do this, then create Apollo contact. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take Wix forms. And then in my trigger event, I am going to take this new form submission. Now I need to make connection between Wix forms and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Wix forms with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my Wix account. So here this is my Wix account, and on the left hand side where I can see all these options, here I am going to click on this automations and then go to automations. On the top right corner I can see an option of new automation. I'll click on this and then I have to click on this start from scratch. Now to build this automation I have to first select the trigger. So my trigger is Wix Forms and I am going to select this Wix Forms form submitted. Now I have to select which form should trigger this automation. So in this drop down I can find two options, any or specific. As I have just one form, I am going to select this as any. If you want to build this on a specific form, you can select accordingly. Now after selecting this, I am not going to toggle this button on and then I am going to click on this apply. Now I have to click on this plus button and then go to action. Now I have to select my action. So my action is sent via webhook. So I'll select this and then in the target URL I have to enter the webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here and then I'm going to click on this apply. Now I'm going to name this automation. So let's say the name is Apollo Contact and then I'm going to click on this activate. So here your new automation is now active. We can see that I have added the webhook URL which I was provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow here in my Wix by the name Apollo Contact. And now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. If I scroll down, I can see this waiting for the webhook response and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission in my Wix, and after the form submission has been done, I should receive that form submission's response here in this workflow. And this will show us that the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and Wix Forms, that is successful. So here I am going to open my form. And this is my form and now I am going to fill some dummy details in all these fields. So let's say my first name is latest, my last name is user. Here I have added my email address as latest@pabblitudes.com. My phone number is this and the query message is just testing. Now I am going to click on the submit. Here I have done the form submission and I should receive all these details in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So let's open my workflow and if I scroll down, I can see that I have instantly received this response. In the query message, I have added testing. So I have received that. The phone number that we just added was this one. Email address was latest@pabblitudes.com. First name was latest, last name was user. Now here, as soon as I have done the form submission, I have received that response here in this workflow, and this means the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and Wix Forms, that is successful. And now whenever someone will do the form submission in this form, I will start receiving that response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever there is form submission in my Wix Forms, I want to create Apollo Contact. So then in my action application, I am going to take Apollo. And then in my action event, as I want to create contact, I'll select this. Now I'm going to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, click on save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And then to make this connection, we have to enter the API key. So in this help desk, I can see the hyperlink given over here. I'm going to open this. And then on the left hand side, I can see this API keys option. I'll open this and then click on this create new key. So let's say the name of this key is testing 567, and in the description I want to add this as integration 567, and in the APIs, as I want to create contact, I am going to select this contacts create. Now I am going to click on this create API key, and here API key created successfully. Now I simply have to copy this API key and paste that in my Pabbly Connect field and then click on this save. So here Apollo is connected with Pabbly Connect and I have to enter all these details. So the first one is that I have to enter the first name, and I'm not going to enter this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. Now when I click on any of these fields, I can see this Wix Forms, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I have received from there. Now I need to enter the first name, and in the response that I have received, the first name is latest. So I'll select that and enter that, and then I have to enter the last name. So the last name is user, and in the organization name, for now I want to select this as query message. So my query message is testing, and then in the email address I am going to select this latest@pablitudes.com. In the title I want to select this as my query message again, and as contact stage and website URL are not required fields, I am going to skip this, and I have also not received the response for the address. So if you have received the response, you can enter following the same process. I am going to remove this organization name and enter the phone number over here. Now over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I simply have to click on the save and send test request, and here I can see that I have received the response, and this response is a positive one. I have received the contact ID, and this contact should be created in my Apollo. So let's open my Apollo account, and I am going to refresh this page once. And here I can see that I have instantly created this latest user as my contact. The email address was latest@pablitudes.com. The query that we added was testing, so I have entered that. And then the phone number was this one. So now to summarize, we took Wix Forms as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We did the form submission and received that response error in this workflow. Then we moved to the next step where we wanted to create the contact. So we took my action application as Apollo, where we made connection with Pabbly Connect and entered all these details with the help of a method called mapping, clicked on the save and send test request, and received the response as this contact being created in my Apollo account automatically and instantly. So this is how this automation workflow will run, and here we have successfully created automation between Wix Forms and Apollo with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.